how are you today? My name is Gisela and today we are going to talk about my breakfast. What about if you think what are the main ingredients that you include on your diet for breakfast? I'm going to tell you mine. On a typical breakfast I have a look, bread, milk. Yes, this is my favorite. It's really delicious. And I'm going to pour some milk here so that, only a little, so that afterwards I'm going to prepare a cup of coffee. Do you like coffee? I've got here some coffee. I'm going to pour only a little, and some milk. That's delicious. I am going to add some water. It's hot. If you could smell, that's amazing. And over here I have the cutlery. So I have here this teaspoon, a knife, a fork, and a soup spoon, just for you to know. But today I'm not going to use the soup spoon, only the teaspoon. And with the teaspoon I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. This verb is stirring, so I'm stirring my coffee. Alright, what else do we have here? Well, I've got here a glass with orange juice. Do you like orange juice? I do. So here I've got an orange. Well, one slice, two slices of orange. Also, I love yogurt. Do you like yogurt? This yogurt is special. It looks like ice cream, right? But it's yogurt. It has milk and passion fruit. It's really delicious. I think that it also has some mango. Very nice. All right. What else do we have? Well, here I have some butter. Do you like butter? I do. But to be honest, I don't eat much butter. Not every day. Only on Wednesdays. Yes. Over here I've got some ham and some cheese. And I'm going to prepare a sandwich. This kind of bread is called roll. Roll, one, plural, rolls. Rolls. Rolls of bread. So I'm going to add one slice of ham and some cheese. Okay. I really love this kind of products. As you can see, I've got here milk, cheese, yogurt. All right. Okay, that's fine. Alright, and I'm going to put it here. It's just for you to check the vocabulary and the products that we have here. Alright, so we have, let's do the recap. Let's see, we have some milk. Over here we have some ham and some cheese. That's right. Here we have some bread, and the name of this kind of bread is rolls. Right? 1 roll or 3 rolls we have here. We've got here a sandwich. It's a ham and cheese sandwich. What else? Here in this teapot we have some hot water to prepare coffee. Alright, I've got here some coffee and it smells delicious. Here we have a glass of orange juice, very good. What else? Over here I have a small jar with milk. And here I've got sugar. Sugar. Excellent. I also showed you the star of my breakfast, or my favorite part, this yogurt made with milk, some mango, which is a tropical fruit, and passion fruit. That's right. It's really natural and delicious. And as you can see, I told you that it's similar to an ice cream. That's right. Also, I showed you the slices, right? 1 slice, 2 slices of orange. And with this, of course, I prepare my orange juice. That's right. And finally, the butter. Am I forgetting something? Yes, I'm forgetting the cutlery. So, do you remember the names? We have a knife. We have here a soup spoon. What else? A fork. And yes, over here, a teaspoon. A teaspoon. Alright? The verbs we talk about: stirring, pouring, and also, well, here we have a cup of coffee, right? And a coffee plate, right? For the cup. That's fine. How do you say this word in English? It's a napkin. It's a napkin. Very good. And this one is a tray. A tray. Where do I usually have breakfast? I usually have breakfast in the dining room. In the dining room. Some people usually have breakfast in the kitchen or in the garden. It depends. But in my case, I usually have breakfast in the dining room. What time do you usually have breakfast? I usually have breakfast at 6 a.m. very early in the morning. What about you? From Mondays to Fridays, I have breakfast at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. But on Saturdays, I have breakfast at about 9 or 9:30. On Sundays, I have breakfast at 10 o'clock in the mornings. That's true. Alright, what about you? What do you normally have for breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? And can you describe a typical breakfast in your country? Excellent. Muchas gracias por su atención. En los últimos videos hemos estado trabajando bastante y hemos estado insistiendo mucho en el tema del habla de una manera natural. El día de hoy les he querido presentar un desayuno muy completo que normalmente forma parte de mi rutina diaria. Entonces me gustaría que ustedes también me escriban debajo de este videito en la parte de los comentarios cómo es un desayuno usualmente en sus vidas. Recuerden que de lunes a viernes, normalmente por el apuro del trabajo o las actividades que realicen, es un poco distinto a un desayuno de sábado o domingo o algún día festivo de repente que ustedes tengan y de repente comen algo o beben algo especial o específico, lo pueden también mencionar, sería muy interesante. También hemos visto la hora en la cual tomamos nuestro desayuno de lunes a viernes y si hay alguna diferencia entre el sábado y el domingo, que a veces dormimos un poquito más y pues tenemos un horario distinto. Estoy segura que este video les va a gustar muchísimo y van a poder practicar vocabulario nuevo. Hemos aprendido verbos, vocabulario, alguna que otra actividad que hacemos durante el desayuno, como verter el agua, a la hora de mover el café. Y son verbos que nos van a servir en nuestro día a día. Tengan en cuenta que estos videos están hechos para ustedes con todo mi cariño, para cuando se encuentren en una situación real, viajen o estén con una persona de habla inglesa, pues ya sepan cómo tienen que utilizar las palabras, las expresiones y este nuevo vocabulario. No me voy a retirar sin antes invitarlos a suscribirse al canal Inglés para tu Vida. Recuerden que segundos antes que finalice el video aparece un video sugerido y un círculo en el cual se encuentra mi foto. Si ustedes le dan clic al círculo estarán automáticamente suscritos. Pero no se vayan a ir sin darle clic a la campanita para que les llegue la notificación sonora cada vez que coloco video. Durante esta semana estoy poniendo video todos los días, así es que presiona la campanita para que puedas recibir el video en el momento que lo coloco. Estoy muy agradecida con todos ustedes. Regálenme una manito arriba, compartan este video en todas sus redes sociales y con las personas que ustedes consideran necesitan aprender inglés. Entonces, nos vemos en una siguiente clase y les mando un fuerte abrazo y un gran beso. Bye!